Yeah.
He's laughing. The garbage is in there, so it goes straight out. He's gonna activate. It's okay.
Throw it away, Nathan. Throw it away.
Throw it in the garbage. He's looking too. He's like, what? There's no garbage in there.
Oh, but
He
he's
figured it out.
Smart. He's gonna throw it in the bad garbage.
Yep. There you go. Yay. Good
He
job.
Like, hold up.
He looked and everything. All right, go get a diaper. Go get me a diaper. Okay, go. Hurry, hurry.
He can't open the door.
The door's not closed. Or is it? Go get a diaper. What happened? The light was off? Okay, come on, let's go get a diaper. Go get mommy a diaper. Silly. Go get me a diaper. From in here. Look, from in here. Go take it a Theo. Go take it a Theo. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go. I said go take it a Theo. He ran over here.